Zendrop versus Eprolo, which is better for drop shipping? Both apps are teaming with great features, enough to keep even the data hungriest and micromanaging e-commerce merchants super happy. But how do you choose between these two amazing platforms? Today, I will show you the differences between these two platforms, Zendrop versus Eprolo, and I will help you decide which of these two platforms suits you the best. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, let me point out some of the key features these two platforms have and have not to offer. So first, when it comes to branded dropshipping, both has it. They leverage branded dropshipping with logos, customizable packaging, and even branded invoicing, and also a branded scotch tape. And both offer automated order fulfillment as well, which help you easily and quickly process your order from your customer inside your online store directly to your supplier, and your supplier will just ship it directly to your customer. And also, both have order tracking features to track your customers' orders in real time with an automatically generated tracking number and delivery information. When it comes to real-time analytics, Zendrop can help you easily track real-time metrics like your orders, your costs, and your profits for this month or for this week. But with a Prolo, you don't have this feature available. Also, Zendrop has a product in bulk and store in US-based warehouse for fast shipping, whereas a Prolo doesn't have this. But when it comes to product quality, eProlo has a quality control team to inspect and ensure all outgoing orders are up to standard. Unlike Zendrop, they don't have this feature. So they don't have a team to check the products or to check the order if it reached their standard, which is kind of disappointing though. And also, Eprolo ship worldwide, while Zendrop, they don't ship worldwide. So both platforms offer 24/7 support and also a good product sourcing feature. But again, when it comes to product sourcing, Eprolo is better for me because, as I said earlier, that they have this team of people checking the quality products and their orders to make sure that all outgoing orders are up to standard. And this is what Zendrop doesn't have it. So now let's go and check their pricing plan. So let's start with Zendrop. So here's the Zendrop pricing plan. So let me just scroll down. So as you can see here, they have these three different plans, and you can also pay it monthly or yearly. So for monthly, so first you have the free plan, and you will have access to 1 million plus products, 24/7 support, and also product sourcing. And inside the Pro plan, which is the $49 per month, you will also get the features that you have in the free plan. Plus, you will get unlimited order per month, automated fulfillment, custom branding, US products, and express shipping. So just take note, you can make use of the free plan, but the free plan doesn't have an automated fulfillment order. They also don't have the custom branding, US product, and express shipping. So if you want to get this feature, you must get the Pro plan, which is the $49 per month. And the third plan is the Plus plan for $79 per month. And here it will also cover the features that you have inside the Pro plan, plus it will cover additional features like the Zendrop Academy for you to watch and learn more how you can grow your business with Zendrop. And they also have the product bundles feature, which is really good, subscription boxes, which is also good. And then they also have the chargeback management, private product listing, trending product finder, and also $100 order credits. So as you can see here with their Plus plan, you can get amazing feature here that can really help your business to grow more. So you can also change the payment to the billed yearly payment. And as you can see here for the Pro plan, it's going to be $399 per year. And for the Plus plan, it's going to be $549 per year. So now let's go ahead and check Eprolo. So, on the other hand, Eprolo is a free platform to use by any dropshippers, which is a very good option for those who just getting started or just trying out if dropshipping business is for them. So you can make use of this software or platform. So for Eprolo, as you can see here, that they have the forever free dropshipping supplier here, and Eprolo promises never to charge a membership fee and offers only a free plan for its dropshipping service. And you even don't need a credit card to sign up. Only when you place an order inside a Prolo, you can use of your credit card for payment. And also, they will charge the product fee and the shipping cost. So to protect your customer, they also provide a 30-day shipping guarantee. And if your customer missed the delivery date, then Eprolo can also help you process a refund for your customers. So I can say that Eprolo is really a perfect platform for those who just getting started or just trying out if the dropshipping business is for them. But if you already have the experience when it comes to dropshipping business and you are planning to grow big in the future, then I can suggest to make use of Zendrop, though they have a monthly or yearly membership fee here. But as you can see with the features that they have here for the Plus plan, they have these advanced features that Eprolo doesn't have. Like, for example, the product bundles, the subscription boxes, the chargeback management, the $100 order credits, and also trending product finder. So this is something that you can take advantage of once your dropshipping business started to grow. And if Prolo again don't have all of this feature. So that's only my own opinion, but the decision will still depend on you guys. So your final decision between the two will likely rest on pricing and maybe available of the product within your niche and also about your future objectives or your goals. Thankfully, though Zindrop is not a free software, but they also have a free plan. Plus, they also provide a free trial for the new user to experience the Zindrop Pro account. And Eprolo is also a free platform to use. So I suggest that you go ahead and sign up to both of this platform until you started getting orders and start rolling in your business. So from that way, you can try both apps and you can test if they have the products that meet your brand niche or your own standard, and also identify if which of these two platforms you are comfortable using. And I guess that's all for today's video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you so much for watching.